In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to file secondary insurance claims in SimplePractice. Before you can actually submit a secondary claim, you need to make sure the client's secondary insurance information is correctly added to their profile. This step is essential because SimplePractice uses what's saved in the client's record to populate claims and route them properly for coordination of benefits. First, open the client's chart and make sure you're looking at their overview. From there, click Edit to open the client's editable details. Next, navigate to the Billing and Insurance section. Here, you'll see any existing insurance on file. To add the secondary plan, select the option to add insurance info. This opens the form, where you'll enter the secondary payer details. Choose the payer from the list if it appears, or type the payer's name to search. Enter the member ID exactly as it appears on the insurance card. Watch for zeros and letters and avoid adding spaces or dashes unless the system requests them. If you have it, include the group number and the payer ID. For policies that use a subscriber different from the client, add the policyholder's name, date of birth, and relationship to the client. If the form asks for plan effective dates or policy address, complete those fields too. The goal is to mirror the card and the plan information as precisely as possible so claims don't bounce back. Take a moment to confirm that you're adding this as a secondary policy, not replacing the primary one. If there's an option to designate the policy level, be sure it reflects secondary. Double-check for common typos. Misplaced digits in the member ID and transposed dates are the most frequent causes of rejections. If the payer has multiple entries, select the one that matches the client's plan type to help with electronic routing. Once everything is filled out, click Save. Saving updates the client's profile so that the secondary insurance is on file for future claims. You should now see the secondary policy listed in the Billing and Insurance area, alongside the primary. That confirmation means SimplePractice can reference both plans when you prepare claims, helping ensure the coordination of benefits is handled correctly. A quick tip: accuracy here saves time later. If anything changes, like a new card, a new group number, or an updated policyholder address, come back to the same spot and update the details, then save again. With the secondary insurance information added and saved, you're set up for smooth secondary claim filing as part of your normal workflow.